you viewers, if you don't know about these and you work on cars, you need them. Come here, baby. I'll show you where these come in handy. But first, let me grab a non-magnetic tray, which I'm pretty sure this will double as. Okay, you're gonna have to shine under here. Come over here. Up where my player is. Can you see?
Not yet. I'm trying.
Get her in there.
Okay.
Okay, these type of push retainers are just a nightmare unless you got these type of pliers. You're in there with a pick and screwing around, and I actually watched another guy on a video that I saw these, but these are just amazing. Oh yeah, now she won't work for me. Yep, that one's out. Where's that tray? Oh, screw it, there we go. Thanks, baby. Oh. They are stubborn. Oh, I'd really be miserable if I didn't have this plier. That's God's good grace. I bought this thing. Thank you, Lord. Yeah, these are definitely going to work. I'm liking the ones I got at work at home. These are way nicer. And for those of you watching, I did buy a set of these on Amazon, and these are about twice as nice as the Amazon ones. There you got that. Okay. What we're going to do is go ahead and bungee this out of the way. Then we're going to get our hoses off. Give me that. We're going to bungee this guy out of the way. And then we're going to get this hose off, this hose off, and the guy up there. And we actually got some hose to replace them with. So let me grab some tools and I'll be back with you.